How to fix the unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled error. Let's get started. First, open Windows Defender Firewall. Navigate to the option Advanced Settings. Now click on the option Inbound Rules. Click on the option New Rule. Choose Program. Then click on Next. Click Browse and find your Adobe app. For example, Photoshop, Premiere, or After Effects. It's usually in the C drive. Select it. Then click Next. Select the option Block the connection. Click Next. Now here you need to give it a name, then click on Finish. Now you'll need to remove the old rules. If you see any old rules for the same Adobe app, right-click and delete them. The only one you want to keep is the blocked one you just created. Now do the same for outbound rules. Click on Outbound Rules, click on New Rule, select Program, then find Adobe's Apps file, click Next, choose Block the Connection, then click Next and give it a name like Adobe Block Outbound, click Finish. Check the list again and delete any old rules for the app. Keep only the new blocked rule. And that's it. Blocking Adobe's connection stops it from checking the license online, which removes that unlicensed app disabled error. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.